Let's take a look at how the property sales calculator works on Toolkit.law. Navigate to the Numbers section, open Legal, and select the Property Sales accordion. This calculator helps you organize and calculate all financial components of a property sale in one place. Enter reimbursement amounts for Seller A and Seller B, along with comments for documentation. Add lien expenses, miscellaneous costs, priority obligation payoffs, realtor commissions, and repair amounts, including notes for each category. Finally, enter the property sale amount. As you input values, the calculator automatically generates a total, giving you a clear and accurate financial overview. This tool eliminates manual calculations, supports transparency, and streamlines settlement and closing reviews. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Property Sales Calculator, structured calculations for competent legal transactions.